Snickers is the perfect combination of smooth nougat, chewy caramel, crunchy peanuts, and rich milk chocolate. More than just a candy bar, Snickers has delighted the taste buds of millions for nearly a century. Every Halloween, kids eagerly knock on doors hoping to receive sweet treats, and Snickers is always one of the most anticipated goodies. It's no surprise that this is the best-selling chocolate bar in the United States. Since its debut in 1930, Snickers has been more than just a snack. It has become a symbol of satisfaction. Few people know that the name Snickers comes from an inside joke by Frank C. Mars, the founder of Mars Inc., who named the candy bar after his family's favorite horse. A fascinating story behind a legendary candy bar. Curious about how Snickers is made? Here's an exclusive look inside the factory. Snickers is produced at the Mars-owned Master Foods USA facility located in Chicago, Illinois. Incredibly, this single factory produces 45% of all Snickers bars sold in the US, while the remaining 55% come from a network of factories across the country. With a massive 600,000 square foot production space, the Master Foods factory operates at full capacity to meet the ever-growing demand of Snickers lovers. Every day, millions of bars roll off the production lines, a non-stop operation dedicated to keeping America's favorite snack within reach. The magic begins with creamy milk chocolate, uniquely formulated with a higher content of cocoa butter and lecithin, which naturally raises its melting point. The result? A chocolate that doesn't easily melt in your hands, but instantly dissolves on your tongue. Every delicious Snickers bar starts with premium cacao beans sourced in 110-pound sacks from trusted suppliers. Upon arrival, the beans are emptied into a floor system with channels leading to roasting chambers. Two types of roasting machines fine-tune the flavor of the cacao based on each batch's needs. After roasting, quality inspectors use a handheld tool to split each bean and check the interior. A purplish hue indicates incomplete fermentation, while a deep brown color and rich aroma signal perfection. Next, the beans are ground and refined. Powerful blades break down their structure, separating cacao nibs from husks. The mixture is sifted and a vacuum removes the husks, leaving pure cacao solids. These move into a ball mill, where tiny steel balls continuously refine the mixture into a smooth, flowing liquid. Cocoa butter is extracted, the key to a creamy texture, and blended with sugar and milk. The mixture then undergoes multi-stage refining to increase its silkiness and uniformity. Afterward, the chocolate is conched, stirred in large Kona machines under precise temperatures to enhance flavor and smoothness, removing any bitter compounds. Once tempered, a heating and cooling process that stabilizes cocoa butter crystals, the chocolate is held at 8 degrees, stirred continuously and ready for coating. The Maillard reaction during this stage adds a rich, deep flavour. Meanwhile, the factory prepares other ingredients. Massive 2,000-pound bags of peanuts are roasted evenly using an oscillating conveyor belt and a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven. Enhancing their nutty flavour. At the same time, nougat is prepared in a dedicated area. A syrup made of corn syrup, sugar, salt and water is heated and mixed with whipped egg whites, creating a light, chewy texture. Roasted peanuts are folded in at the end. Caramel is crafted with care from corn syrup, butter, condensed milk, sugar and salt. Cooked at 250 degrees for 30 minutes in a vacuum cooker, then cooled to 110 the caramel gains a smooth, creamy consistency. Vanilla extract and lecithin are added to enrich the flavour and texture. Now it's assembly time. Nougat is rolled onto a conveyor belt and topped with the peanut caramel blend. A blade scrapes the mixture onto the nougat and pressure bars bond the layers. The fine sheet is chilled to 30 degrees Fahrenheit, then sliced into strips and cut into 4-inch bars by a guillotine-style cutter. Final step, the chocolate coating. The bars pass through enrobing machines where they're bathed in warm, velvety chocolate. Vibrating mesh screens ensure even distribution and eliminate air bubbles. A swirl pattern is added by a decorating machine and a burst of air, a signature touch on every bar. After cooling to solidify the chocolate, the bars are wrapped in Snickers' iconic packaging using a high-speed system that can wrap 2,000 bars per minute. They're grouped, packed, and shipped worldwide, from factory to store shelves to your hands. Snickers has become more than just a candy bar. It's a confectionery legend with a perfected recipe, unmatched popularity, and over $2 billion in US sales alone. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating insights about the world around us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.